I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. Let us take up some important test questions based on derivatives of functions. Here is one of the first questions where we'll sketch the graph of the derivative. Graph of a piecewise function is given below. Sketch the graph of its derivative. So piecewise function graphs are shown in different colors. We have a line, a horizontal line, and a parabola. You need to sketch a probable graph for the derivative. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Well, let's start from left to right. And what we notice here is that we have a line which has a negative slope up to the point, let's say, A, right? So in this interval, we have the graph which is having a negative slope. Now, you notice that scale is not given to us, right? It's not really required. So let's say, assume this to be -1 or -2. You could actually sketch a graph. I'm putting a hole here since it is a corner and the derivative is not defined at this particular corner. And a negative value, a constant negative value, indicated by a horizontal line, arrow towards the left. Makes sense, right? Now in the second case, in the second piece, we have a horizontal line. Clearly, the graph of a horizontal line will be 0. And therefore, we'll draw the function which is y equals to 0 along this interval. Now the third piece is of a parabola which you see starts from origin, goes down with a minimum value. So at this turning point we have a 0, correct? So as far as the derivative is concerned, which we are sketching with this pink color. But before this, it is negative, right? So on this side, it is negative. And above this, after 0, we see it is positive. So straight away, we could draw a line which could be something like this. So of course, not defined at 0, kind of like this. Do you see that part? So that is how we could sketch the graph of this particular function. A straight line with a positive slope, which is negative to begin with, 0 at the turning point, right? So what you notice here is that this turning point, so the gradient or slope equals to 0 at turning point. Perfect. So I hope with this, the graph of the derivative is absolutely clear. Feel free to write or comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, it'll be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.